Ready to unleash your inner racer but stuck on getting your Logitech G920 connected? First, locate the USB cable attached to the steering wheel. It's usually thick and permanently connected. Plug the USB cable into an available USB port on your computer. Preferably use a USB 2.0 or 3.0 port for optimal performance. These are usually located at the back of your PC. Now, find the power adapter that came with your G920. Plug the power adapter cable into the designated power port on the back of the wheel. Plug the other end of the power adapter into a wall outlet. Make sure the outlet is working and switched on. Locate the cable coming from the pedals. Plug this cable into the back of the steering wheel base where it says pedals. It should only fit one way. Next, download and install the Logitech G HUB software from the Logitech website. This software allows you to customize your wheel settings, calibrate force feedback, and more. Once installed, launch G HUB. The software should automatically detect your G920. If it doesn't, try restarting your computer. The wheel will calibrate itself when first connected. Let it do its thing, and you'll be ready to race in no time.